Hi, this is Thonvlog Tutorials. Making your Facebook content go viral isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Today, we'll explore proven techniques to increase your reach and engagement. First, understand the Facebook algorithm. It favors content that generates high engagement, likes, comments, shares. Second, create high-quality content. Invest in good visuals and compelling narratives. Think about what your audience wants to see. Third, optimize your posts. Use relevant keywords, compelling headlines, and engaging captions. Encourage interaction. Fourth, analyze your results. Use Facebook Insights to track your performance and identify what resonates with your audience. Adapt your strategy accordingly. By consistently applying these strategies, you'll significantly increase your chances of creating viral content. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint.